Hi there, I'm John from CNCROI.com, and today we'll make custom ornaments. Just to show you the versatility that we offer here at CNCROI.com, this is the same design done on 3 different materials. This is literally just paper. This is 1/4 inch or 6 mil MDF. And again, the same design. This is 1/8 or 3 mil acrylic. As you can see, we're material agnostic, but we're also size agnostic, which means that if you wanted this to be literally this size, and you wanted a whole bunch of them done across a wide range of materials or all the same material, we can do that for you. So what we'll do now, we'll take a look at the acrylic ornament being made. Now in this case here, I have actually 3 different designs that I made in all different materials. And you can see here, and I also have one that has a little bit of engraving into it. So let's say you wanted something like this here. With acrylic, the advantage is that it's completely waterproof. And the other advantage to it is that it's available in hundreds of different thicknesses, colors, opacities. Basically, if you wanted this, basically any color you wanted, we can do that for you. And we can have it up to 1/2 inch or roughly 18 mil down to, again, 1/8. Sometimes we get even acrylic at 1/16. It just depends on the spec that you have in mind for custom ornaments. What we'll do now, we'll take a look at the MDF being made. And here are the results that you could see from the MDF. And the one with the slight engraving, I'd probably go a little bit deeper just to make it more visible, but it gives you an idea. Again, these are the same designs as the acrylic and the paper that is coming up next. The advantage with wood is that, again, there's a huge variety of different species, thicknesses, just lots of different options with wood. If you wanted this in zebra wood, or you wanted it in an MDF like this, or you wanted it in cedar, or any kind of material that you want wood-wise, we can do that for you. We can also do them across a bunch of different materials. One thing you want to keep in mind with wood is that there is some natural variation. If you plan on just painting these afterwards, I'd suggest just doing them in MDF because you're covering the beauty of the wood, while MDF doesn't really have much beauty in my opinion. There's no grain or anything. So if you're painting these, get MDF. If you're not painting them and you want something that smells good, a nice option is red cedar. It smells awesome. Red oak also is pretty good. So what we'll do now, we'll take a look at the paper being laser cut. And here are the results out of paper. The advantage with paper is that it can basically be sourced anywhere, costs next to nothing, and paper can also be had with a whole bunch of different textures to it. So red paper, blue paper, yes, but you can also get paper that looks like carbon fiber, paper that looks like cork, paper that looks like any kind of wood out there. It's quite fascinating what you can do with just paper. The advantage with paper is that it's really quick to cut with the laser, but we could also wear across other materials too. So let's say you wanted something like this done at a Korean. We can do that just as easily as stainless steel. I hope you enjoyed those pictures of a little bit more close-ups of each one of these custom ornaments. The other thing you want to keep in mind is that we can turn these things into other products too. So let's say you really like this design, it's something you came up with as a graphic designer, or it's you're a business and you want your logo. We can convert these things into coasters, we can convert them into keychains, we can convert them into stamps, we can convert them into a whole host of different materials or applications. So with us, if you want, let's say, ornaments and corporate awards that look like this too, that's not a problem at all. So how do you go about getting something like this done? The first thing I need from you is an idea of the budget and the volume. That will dictate how much we get done for the amount of budget and material preferences as well. We can also mix and match different materials. So let's say you're giving out special ornaments like this, and you have about 1,000 employees. Well, the executives, we can make something like this out of Korean or stainless steel or brass. And the lower down guys, we could just make them out of cardboard or whatever your budget allows. So we can make the same design across a bunch of different tiers. So if you have any questions, comments, concerns, head over to CNCROI.com and we'll make something awesome for you.